डेली यूज सेन्टेन्सेस अवश्य छैन, अफकोर्स नॉट, अफकोर्स नॉट। जबकि पहिले, while ago, while ago, एक पटक, once a while, once a while, केही बेरमा, in a little while, in a little while, बढीमा, at most, at most, कसले भन्यो, who said, who said, अलि बेरको लागि, for a little while, for a little while, त्यो कसरी, how that, how that, चिन्ता नगर्नुहोस्, don't worry, don't worry, के को बारेमा, about what, about what, कुन तरिकामा, in what way, in what way, ढिलो नगर्नुहोस्, don't be late, don't be late, योजना के छ, what is the plan, what is the plan, कहाँ जाने, where to go, where to go, कसरी भन्ने, how to say, how to say, अरू केही छैन, nothing else, nothing else, समस्या छैन, no problem, no problem, निसन्देह, undoubted, undoubted, भरोसा राख्नुहोस्, keep trust, keep trust, भेटौँला, see you, see you, म भन्छु, I say, I say, मैले भने, I said, I said, कति बजे, what time, what time, ध्यानपूर्वक हेर्नुहोस्, look carefully, look carefully, सीधा बस्नुहोस्, sit straight, sit straight, मलाई भन्नुहोस्, tell me, tell me, मलाई पिछा गर्नुहोस्, follow me, follow me, पर्याप्त, enough, enough, मजा लिनुहोस्, enjoy, enjoy, मलाई जान देऊ, let me go, let me go, मसँग आऊ, come with me, come with me, यो सत्य हो, this is the truth, this is the truth, म जाँदैछु, I am going, I am going, अपर्याप्त, not enough, not enough, स्पष्ट रूपमा, obviously, obviously, मलाई थाहा छ, I know, I know, उसलाई बोल्न दिनुहोस्, let him speak, let him speak, फेरि होइन, not again, not again, म जानु पर्छ, I have to go, I have to go, यसलाई सजिलै लिनुहोस्, take it easy, take it easy, जारी रहनुहोस्, stay on, stay on, आफै गर, do it yourself, do it yourself, हो यो हो, yes it is, yes it is, कुनै हालतमा हुँदैन, no way, no way, तिमी खस्ने छौ, you will fall, you will fall, गर, do it, do it, यसलाई बिर्सनुहोस्, forget it, forget it, ख्याल राख्नुहोस्, take care, take care, किन नगर्ने, why not, why not, धेरै भयो, a lot happened, a lot happened, उनी कस्तो छिन्, how is she, how is she, हतार गर्नुहोस्, हरी अप, हरी अप। यो कस्तो छ? हाउ इज इट, हाउ इज इट। साँच्चै, रियली, रियली। अर्को लिनुहोस्, टेक अनदर, टेक अनदर। अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई शेयर गर्नुहोला र पेजलाई फलो गर्नुहोला।